Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we'll do one very important topic of geometry and as the name of the topic you can see says parallel lines and transversal. So first of all let's discuss that if in a plane I have two types of line. So either they will intersect at a point or they will never meet. So such kind of lines are called as intersecting lines because they are meeting at a point, and these type of lines are called as parallel lines. They will never meet, and if you talk about their perpendicular distance it will be same throughout. Okay, so here as you can see four angles are being made. From the previous learned concept we know that angle 1 and 2 they form a linear pair, and if I talk about 1 and 3 they are vertically opposite angles. If I talk about 3 and 4 they are forming a linear pair, and if I talk about 2 and 4 they are vertically opposite angles. Now in this session we will talk about angles made by parallel lines and a transversal. Now as I have explained you already that what are parallel lines, they never meet and they have perpendicular distance throughout. Now what is a transversal? Transversal is a line which passes through any two lines. It can be parallel or non-parallel, but it should intersect at distinct points. So such type of line is called as a transversal. So here in this figure as you can see L1 and L2, these two are parallel lines. So L1 is parallel to L2 and M is a transversal. This is a transversal line. So what you observe that angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 angles are being formed. Now the type of angles we are now going to discuss are very important, and from class 7th onwards it will be used in 8th, 9th, 10th, so on. In geometry it will be used in very vast terminologies. So first and foremost we talk about interior angles. So as you can see, interior means inside. Those angles which are formed inside are called as interior angles. So here we'll say that interior angles are angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. I have written 5 again. So angle 4, 3, 4, 5 and angle 6. Now इंटीरियर एंगल के बाद हम एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स डिस्कस करते हैं. as the word suggests, exterior angles are those which lies outside. So in this figure you can see that angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8, these are exterior angles because they lie outside. Now the next and very important type of angle is corresponding angles. Corresponding angle in parallel line, angle 2 is correspondingly equal to angle 6. Similarly, angle 3 will be correspondingly equal to 7. Now think, with angle 1, which should be the corresponding angle? It should be 5, and with 4 it should be 8. So here let's write all the pair of corresponding angles that are equal. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Then angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. And angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Now let's talk about another very important angle, and those are alternate interior angles. Now alternate interior angles in the figure, if I talk about angle 3, so angle 3 is an interior angle. In fact 4, 6, 5 they all are interior angle, but in alternating interior angles 3 is equal to angle 5. So angle 3 is equal to angle 5. There is another pair of alternate interior angle, and that is 4 and 6. They are alternatively equal to each other. Similarly, if I talk about alternate exterior angles, so alternate exterior angles, जैसे हमने इंटीरियर एंगल्स की बात करी वैसे ही अब हम ऑल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स की बात करेंगे. तो 1 के साथ आना चाहिए एंगल 7. एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 7. कैन यू थिंक ऑफ another pair of alternate interior angle? Exterior angle, angle 2 and angle 8. Okay. Now another very important type of angle is angle 3 and angle 6. Also angle 4 and angle 5. Now these are called as co-interior angles, and the important property about this is that they will always add up to 180 degree. So angle 3 plus angle 6 will always be equal to 180 degree. Also angle 4 plus angle 5 will always be equal to 180 degree. So this property is called as co-interior angles. So these are the major properties which are related to parallel lines and transversal. Thank you and keep watching.